smarter. I've been on the molly in them sands with your daughter. If ATL Jacob, you pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable.
They say hard work pays off, I've been feeling paid. I'm trying to take it dingy.
Chief out of flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash for the dump, my ashes, bitch. Lord forgive me, I've been on the rampage, grand ripping Ryan and the Rolls Royce, yeah. Been a day to sober up, then damn, been fucking my group. Damn, been fucking my group. Damn, been fucking my group. You a fucking rich nigga for the fame, won't you? You would get that pussy up to a lane, won't you? I ain't really mean to hurt you. Stars gotta be that way. Ain't mean to desert you. Think I might probably just drink out the bottle and fuck on a model, yeah. Out of my this. Do you feel better when I left?